Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost dropshipping sales in the Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Shopify store. Once you are in, you have to go on the add apps, or you can also here search for the boost netsuite integrate and press the enter. Now once you are in here, you have to go on this application and add this app. And here you have to click on the install app. And wait for it to open. Now here you have to read all of these features and click on the next. Now once you are in here, you have to read this note and add your account ID, consumer key, consumer secret, taken ID, taken secret, etc. and fulfill all of these requirements. Once you're done with it, you have to click on the authenticate and save. So yeah, this is how you can boost dropshipping sales in the Shopify.